Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy 2023. It feels so good to be back here on YouTube. So this week I thought I would just show you me setting up my little tiny pocket planner. Today is the 1st of January. It's currently 2:20 and I still don't know my planner lineup for this year. Anybody else? But what I did know is that I wanted to try my hand at a tracker planner. So this is basically going to be full of trackers. I created my own trackers, as you can see here, and I was just putting them all together and trimming them down. I decided not to print them kind of back to back. I was just going to stick them together because I wasn't sure if my pens were going to bleed through this particular paper. So once I cut them all down, I just stuck them together. I then used one of my old inserts as a guide as to where to punch all of my holes. And then that was one down, 50 million to go. About halfway through, I realised I was going to have to trim a lot of the excess off, so RIP to all of my poppet heads. Yeah, my bad. Moving on. So once I'd finished cutting, which took 70,000 billion years, it was time to try them in my planner. So here I am just popping them in. I've got a few of the poppet's head left at the top and the bottom, so that will just have to do. Again, I got about halfway through putting them in and I realised I had made a mistake. Some of them I needed to punch on the opposite side. So with a pit in my stomach, I took a minute just to kind of think what I wanted to do. As you can see here, so when I've punched the holes and you turn the page, they're the same. So I thought, what have I got an enormous amount of? Washi. And washi is good to cover up any mistakes. So I just covered it all up and then hole punched on the other side. I then took a little knife and decided to kind of neaten it up on the tracker side, just to make it look more intentional, like this was my plan all along. So I don't know who I thought I was, but I was freehanding it here all the way down this line. I'm amazed myself that it came out straight. I don't know who I think I am, but here we go. And this is what I decided to do. I then done the same on a couple of other sheets, and then as I was going through, I kind of didn't like the washi on the tracker side. It was okay on the tracker key side, it was like a kind of cute little detail. So yet again I decided to rip it up. It ripped the page. I decided to treat myself to a chocolate or 8 and have a little think about what I wanted to do again. So I grabbed my poppet book. I was feeling like this, but after some chocolate I felt like this one. And these were the right size to kind of cover up any holes. And because I've got poppets at the top and at the bottom, it kind of blended in, not gonna lie. It was a good idea. By the way, these black Lindor chocolates, they are not for me. I then just went back over where the washi tape had ripped the ink off, which was absolutely fine because obviously it's my own handwriting anyway, so that was all good, and this is how it is now looking, much better. So now it's time to fill in all of my trackers. So I'll be doing this every single day. There's going to be a little box for every day of 2023. So I've got lots of different trackers from Rate the Day, and I think I've got like a weather one, a spending one. Yeah, just a lot of trackers. I used different pens for each page. Am I going to remember what pen was what colour? Absolutely not. But I'll do my best. Let me know down below if you have got a tracker planner or ever heard of a tracker planner. This is completely new to me, but I'm really excited because this is something I can grab out every single day and fill out. And then as the year goes on, it will get all nice and full up. I super struggled on this one because I couldn't think of anything for me to do for self-love apart from the top 3. So we went with that, but I might change them as we go along. Also, don't judge me. I do not drink water at all, so 4 cups a day would be an enormous amount. Again, that might change as we go along. I'm just giving myself realistic goals. I definitely wouldn't be able to drink more than 4 glasses of water because I'm just not that kind of girl. Okay, so here is a flip through of it all finished. I have got a little birthday tracker, I've done a little washi board, and then we go into all of my trackers. So I've got a Rate This Day, a weather, a health, anxiety, a self-love, a water tracker, and spending. I've also got a section for me to write tomorrow will be, word of the day, and if I wanted to practice some lettering. And that was it for my 2023 tracker planner. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.